should stop comparing with Nigerians. Those are not your mates. I've said it on my live video 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Those are not your mates. Your bad heartedness and your wickedness does not permit you to compare with those people, because those people, they lift you up, and if they decide to bring you down, they can bring you down. But Cameroonians, you grow now management. You grow so they need even support for bringing you up. They won't bring you down. Yes, they lift you up. And they can just to bring. What do we do when they see you growing? Those you met in the industry, ikamuj day, ikamuj day we don't get 100,000 followers. Now give away now give away now, because when they do give away, they start comparing. Nobody's asking them questions, but they're asking questions. Nobody's asking you questions. Nobody, but they're asking, they're answering questions. They start comparing me with them. Now me, see me, are they fine? Are slim? See, I see fat. And how does that build your block or your bank account or at your job? How? How does all those things? You are coming. Me, see me, are they fine? Are slim? See, I see fat. And how does that build your block or your bank account or at your job? How? How does all those things? You are commenting because of giveaway. You are doing this. After that, and so what? Matter. Let's know. I want to know if your followers are genuine or not. And so what do you want to do with my genuine followers? Let me bother about it. I'm the one doing the giveaway. Even those who come to my account to pay money today. One of my sisters gave me £100 today. Say, like, if you feel as giving giveaway, give it. If you feel as chopping it, chop it. Those are people at the background who support the platform 24/7. They don't even talk. Those who have nothing to offer. Only negativity, only bias. Now then get more for talk pass. Now again, when I never even dig finish about me, think they about me when I don't even know. You put you go and dig, because I see some of you on social media. You have time. The news when I dig about my partner is dying. He don't die, he's dead. Any news you remove about me is social media. After 1 month, he's dead and gone. That's my past. As I'm going ahead, I'm leaving footprints, and you're copying. And you go and sit and you talk and I'm gone. I don't go. Hey! Why can't you get serious fever? You know why she don't compare Nigeria? Na craze. I don't tell when I need to compare now Côte d'Ivoire, Equatorial Guinea, them Malabo, Gabon, them, even Ghana. I not even compare with them. You see, a person can write long thing. Where you do give away, don't put the receipt. Don't do it. Where your left hand do, your right hand should not do. Go under Nigerian post. Go see when they say drop your number for giveaway. You will see Nigeria that they drop 20,000 comments. All they drop that number, then me them put their money. The Cameroonian person can't stand. Yeah. If you one person just comment say, don't if you're doing good, don't post, don't put receipt. I block you. Why? So that you should stop seeing things that will be making you angry. And I don't only blog you, I blog those who like your comment. If you like my comment, 5 people. If you like, now what I do.
I just say some artists for Cameroon, like these Anglophone people, they talk say, made they inbound foreign music for Cameroon. Made they inbound like Nigerian music for Cameroon. But nothing happened, oh, you understand, everything they normal. But the problem is say, if they really bound this foreign music in Cameroon, can you be able to give the nation what they want? Like, you know, this youth now, they're the kind of music they like. You understand? This generation now, there is kind of types of beats they like. Can you be able to give them that beat? Can you be able to do that kind of song for them? You understand? You know, if you just come for street or enter mic, take mic, they talk, say, made them ban foreign music for this country. Guy, you know, make sense. You understand? Okay, now, just see Stanley Eno. We sing Tete since 2014. He sing EP. When he sing that EP, Flavor don't already sing. Timaya don't already sing. Plenty people don't already sing. Even David don't already sing. Whiskey did they sing. Even P-Square, everybody they don't already sing. But Stanley Eno make wave with that EP. Why the other song no stop with EP? May no blow. But Stanley Eno, that EP still blow. You understand? The thing still blow. No matter the waiting happen, the thing still blow. To show you, say, no be people music, they make your music, they blow. Now, because of, say, they play what people like. Your song, they give people what they like. Your song, they make wave now. You just sing EP, your ghetto song where you sing and people like and where. You leave them, go enter rap. You leave your lane, leave something where you're supposed to do, and your ghetto, we make way for this country, everybody hear them. despite the foreign music or Ghana or Nigerian music, everybody here a pay. Even me, I follow plan. But you leave and go, they do rap. Come today, come they talk, say me the end foreign music. It don't make sense now. How many tracks will you get? How many of your song will they feel play from night till morning in the club? How many of your song will they feel play that from 10 a.m. till 5 p.m. in the morning? How many of your track? You know get track. You know if you just come stand the public, the carry mic, where you call yourself big artist, say me they bound foreign country. You go, you know they pay me, you understand? Music no get boundary. If you stop music for club, say me they know they plan for club. You know if you stop people they plan for house. You understand? If you say me they know they plan for club, yes, they feel stop them, but they know if you stop people they plan for their house. Even people they plan for their earphone, you know if you stop them. People they plan with their earphone, you know if you stop them. So guy, wise up, man, wise up. It's not. I know they expect this kind of thing from you at all. You just they bring yourself down where they. Understand? This kind of talk safe, you know, makes sense. But I don't forgive you. Understand? I don't forgive you, but no wahala. But you know, makes sense. This kind of thing no feel work. How you know if you come out, government say make them ban foreign music, guy? Oh boy, get to reason, man. Reason.
Success. Like me personally, I feel like one of the artists that has managed to like understand, you know, getting outside, understand branding and promoting themselves internationally is Stanley Eno. Even though people love to bash him, whatever, you know, for who he is, whatever, but he has managed to understand that if you want to be known, if you want your music out there, you have to go out there and promote yourself.
Yeah.
You understand? You have to build connections for all parts of the world. And Stanley has actually done that in a proper way. And that I will never take away from him. Because even if I sit with, I have a lot of Nigerian friends. I have a lot of Nigerian connection. I feel very connected with Nigerians only because my best friend was a Nigerian, and I grew up, the closest I ever got to any black people was Nigerians, because so I love my people. I love Cameroonians. I love Nigerians. I love Africans. But when I'm connecting with a Nigerian promoter, when I travel to Nigeria for a show or tour or whatever, when I say an artist, they know Stanley Eno's name. You understand? And they know his name because he did that. He branded himself internationally. And I keep saying that to people, that you have to push extra for your name to be heard. And I feel like a lot of people don't want to understand that, and I'm glad talking to you. I understand that you also know what it means for you to brand it, because look at now, we're talking. I am based in Norway. I have a lot of people, Energy Squad fans from all parts